Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, locate calendar, tap on it and click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose Got It and click on the month above. Following that, pick a date and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour. You can also disable this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Choose location, type in an address and click on the correct one. Set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, and even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it by tapping on it, then clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner and making new changes. After that, select Save again. If yours too delayed it though, you need to click on it one more time, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Delete. Following that, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!